Now we will see some example from this formulae. You know that integration of sin x dx equal to minus cos x plus c. Integration of sin 5x dx. It means we will assume this to be x minus cos 5x, and we will write the coefficient of x, that means 5, in denominator, plus c. If we write integration of sin 2x plus 9 dx equal to, we will assume this thing as x. If we integrate sin x, we get minus cos x, so minus cos this thing. And we will write the coefficient of x in denominator. So in denominator we will write a 2 plus c. The same case is applicable for cos 2. If we write integration of cos 9x plus 1 dx equal to, if we integrate cos, we get sine. That means if we integrate this, we get sine 9x plus 1. And the coefficient of x will sit in denominator. So divided by 9 plus c. If we integrate sec square something, that means if we integrate sec square 21x plus 9 dx equal to, if we integrate sec square x, we get tan x. So after integrating sec square this, we get tan this. And the coefficient of x will sit in denominator, plus c.